It is again another week, and thank you for joining us on this week's edition on Weekly Dose of African Aviation on my channel Aviation Info, where as usual we bring you the latest updates and happenings in the aviation sector in Africa. In this week's edition, we shall bring you information from Bestfly, we shall bring you information from Air Tanzania, South African Airways, Air Precision, EgyptAir, Zambia Airways, and so on and so forth. Meanwhile, if you're still new to my channel Aviation Info, please kindly subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my future uploads. Meanwhile, if you've missed our previous editions on Weekly Dose of African Aviation, you can always check on our channel to see what has been happening in the aviation sector in Africa. In this week's edition, let us start with Bestfly. Bestfly secures 180 R72-600 from Aero Leasing. The Angolan company targets 5 Embraer E190 from the same company. Founded in 2009, Bestfly operates both on the business aviation and the air transport market, operating 380 R72 planes on several routes. With all these purchases in plant, we can see that the Angolan company is actually on its road to growth. Air Tanzania Company Limited and Uganda Airways choose Airbus First Hour service. Air Tanzania and Uganda Airlines contract Airbus maintenance service. To ensure optimal operation of their fleets, airlines must plan well for the maintenance and dispatch of their planes. Air Tanzania and Uganda Airlines, in choosing Airbus maintenance service, they will go a long way to solve the issue of maintenance and in case of parts that are unavailable. South African Airlines is among one of these airlines that have suffered severe crisis because of the COVID-19. The airline resumed flight operation on the 23rd of September 2021 with services between Johannesburg and Cape Town. It has also resumed flights to a number of African destinations, including Accra, Lusaka, and Harare. It will resume flight to Mauritius on the 21st of November. Zambia Airways keep December 1st as its official launching date. For the past 3 years, Zambia has been working in partnership with Ethiopian Airlines to revive its national carrier that disappeared 26 years ago. Initially announced for the 30th of September 2021, the launching date for Zambia Airways has been postponed to the 1st of December 2021. And just a tip for military aviation, in Burkina Faso Air Force received its first Airbus C-29 Whiskey. Burkina Faso had ordered this aircraft in December 2019 to strengthen the country's military transport capacity, which was the best way to go. Djibouti received its second Chinese aircraft, MA-60. In Africa, the MA-60 is being exploited by both civilians and military use. In 2018, nearly 15 devices were named, mainly acquired by Central African countries such as Cameroon, Burundi, Congo. And this time, Djibouti received its second of such aircraft. And this time we move to EgyptAir. EgyptAir put its 9 remaining Embraer E190 for sale. Between late 2018 and early 2019, EgyptAir progressively separated from 12 Embraer E190 from an average age of 13 years. The logic of this Egyptian carrier is to rejuvenate its fleet with an aim of bringing an average age of less than 5 years and reach 100 aircraft by 2027. The group currently owns 68 planes with an age of 7.5 years old. Nigerian Air announced to resume flight operation in April 2022. With a population of more than 210 million inhabitants, Nigeria is an air market with a strong potential and have so many airlines operating in the region. The national flag of Nigeria, Air Nigeria, stopped flight operations in 2018. The Federal Executive Council have decided to resume again flight operation in April 2022. This will go a long way to increase competition in the Nigerian air market. And the last but not the least on our list, we will talk about Passion Air. Passion Air is a Ghanaian airline that was founded in 2017 and began flight operation in 2018. It has a fleet size of 3 aircraft and currently operates 6 destinations with its headquarters in Accra. In Ghana, the domestic air transport market is dominated by African Airways Limited, but right behind it we have Passion Air, which is slowly coming up and gaining the market. We hope that with the coming of Passion Air, we increase competition and also improve the services being rendered to customers. And this has been a few of the updates in the African aviation sector that we brought to you. Kindly like this video, and if you're still new to my channel, please kindly subscribe.